Good morning, Mrs. Mitchell's Maths Group. This is our second day looking at Roman numerals. Yesterday we looked at the numerals for 1, 5, 10, 50 and 100. Can you remember them? Here they are. The numerals for 1, 5, 10, 50 and 100. And you were given the job of choosing 3 of the numbers above and writing them in Roman numerals. Let's see how you got on. The first number was 7, which is 5 and 2 ones. 7, V-I-I. The next number 12 is 10 and 2 ones, so it's X11. 23 is made up of 2 tens and 3 ones, so that's XXIII. 55 is the number L and the number 5, so it's 50 and 5, so that's LV. 72 is made up of 50 and 2 more tens, 50, 60, 70, so it's LXX and 2 ones. The number 89 is quite a long number. It starts with 50 and then we need 3 more tens to make 80. 50, 60, 70, 80. And then we need to make the number 9. And the number 9 is 1 before 10. So our numeral is L, 50, 60, 70, 80, so there's our 80, and 1 before 10 is 9. So the numeral, Roman numerals for the number 89 is L, X, 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 I, X. 17 is the number 10 plus a 5 plus 2 more. So it's XB11. Now the number 40 is not 4 X's. It's 10 before 50. So the number 40 is XL. 10 before 50 and 1 more, I. XLI. And the number 27 is 2 tens and a 5 and 2 ones. So that's XXBII. Which ones did you get? Here's a question for us to look at. Eva lives in this house. What number does Eva live at? So let's look at the Roman numerals on the door and let's remind ourselves we know 1, 5, 10, 50 and 100. Pause the video and work out the number. How did you get on? Here's the number. I know that X equals 10. So XX will equal 20. I know that V equals 5. So 1 before V will equal 4. So the number on Eva's door was 24. Did you get it? Let's have a look. Our next job is to try to read the Roman numerals. It says write down the Roman numeral in numerals and words. So you need to write it down in numbers and words. Pause the video and have a go. Don't worry if there are some that you can't do here. Try your best. How did you get on? Let's look at this first one. XXIB. That's 2 tens and 4. So this number here is the number 24. We look here, we've got 50 and 2 more tens. So that's 50, 60, 70 and one more is 71. This one shows us 50 and 110, so that's 60, and 8, B-I-I-I, is 8. So the number here is 68. This one shows us 10 before 100. We think about what number comes 10 before 100. If I count back from in tens from 100, my first number I get to is 90. And it's 95 and one more, so it's 96. Here we've got 2 tens and an 8. So my number is 28. And here I've got 10 before 100 and one more, so my number is 91. We're going to do something similar in this part. We need to write the number 3 times. We need to write it as a number, in words, and using Roman numerals. I've given you a clue here to help you out. Pause the video and have a go. The first number is 26. So I need 2 tens to make my 20. And I need 5 and one more, 26. My number here is 10 and 3 more. So I know my number is 10 and 3 more, 13. And say in words that would have looked like that, 13. There are 2 more for you to try. Have a go. Pause the video and try. How did you get on? Well, I know I can start off by writing the number 70 here. That's fine, I know how to do that. And now I need to look over here. I don't have 70 here, but I have 50 and I have some tens. So 70 in Roman numerals should be 50 and 2 more tens, 70. My number here is 48, so I can write that in words, 48. Now to make the number 40, I'm not going to use 4 tens. I'm going to use 10 before 50. So I'll need 10 before 50, that makes my 40. And then I need 8, which is B, 5, 6, 7, 8. How did you get on? We're going to end the lesson today here, and tomorrow we'll pick up with some more work on Roman numerals.